Have you ever been driving to work and the sun comes through your windshield just right and you realize you cannot see anything? In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean your windshield streak-free every time. Hey guys, Sydney with the Rag Company, and in front of me I have the 3 tools that we are going to need to clean this glass behind me. So I have a microfiber applicator, an FTW glass towel, and then a automotive glass cleaner. I'm going to show you the steps needed to get this super clean, streak-free, lint-free, and help you keep it that way. First, before we get started, let's talk about what typically goes wrong when cleaning your windshield. We are often left with lint, streaking, it rehazes, and we can't figure out what went wrong. Typically, people are using the wrong kind of glass cleaner. So there is household glass cleaners and there is automotive glass cleaners. The household glass cleaners typically contain ammonia, which one is not tint safe and it just streaks on vehicle glass. It's just not made for it. So first, we do want to stick with a specific automotive glass cleaner. The 2 tools that I feel are essential to getting streak-free glass are the no-soak applicator from the Rag Company. It has that plastic barrier that is why it's called the no-soak. So this is going to help your glass cleaner not soak into the center sponge of the applicator. It's going to keep more of that material towards the surface, which is going to help you do the cleaning. The second one is going to be my towel. So this is the FTW towel, again from the Rag Company. This stands for the window. So absolutely great glass cleaning towel. This with the twist loop, it absorbs the rest of our glass cleaner really well. My favorite part though is it does not leave behind any lint. So this is everything we're going to need today. We don't need any other special tools. So with that, let's get into cleaning this windshield. Step number 1, we are going to grab our microfiber applicator and our glass cleaner. And just to cover again what's on this windshield. So I see a lot of kind of oily handprints. There is a lot of off-gassing. It can come from the carpeting in the car. It can come from dressings on the dashboard. It can actually come from people's hair and clothes and products that we're using on our own bodies. It's just the process of something going through the air system and it ends up attaching to the window. It's actually everywhere. It's just obviously on the windshield we can see it the easiest. So I'm going to use the blue side. You can obviously use whichever side you prefer. And we are going to load this side up with our glass cleaner. We are not going to spray directly on the windshield. When you do that, what happens is a lot of times the glass cleaner will fall on your dashboard, leave, little speckles of chemical, and we don't want that. That can actually end up drying out your dashboard. So we are going to spray directly onto the applicator. I like to get a good amount. I want it pretty wet. And what we're going to do is I'm going to use a method that I call the box method. Now, obviously my applicator's wet, so I want to spread the majority of the glass cleaner through the center of the area that I'm working. So I have split this windshield into 2 sections just so that we can see clean versus dirty. So I'm going to start right up here in the corner and I'm going to spread the majority of my glass cleaner through the center, and then I'm going to draw a box around the area that I'm working. Now, obviously, if you want to work in a smaller section, you certainly can. I usually do half at a time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the applicator to really lay down that glass cleaner and scrub off the grease, the grime, the oil, all that kind of stuff. Now right here I can see where it's really greasy, so I'll go ahead and just kind of scrub at that. The goal of this applicator is to make sure that we're really getting all of the dirt into the applicator. This is going to be what solves our streakiness from our towel. What happens after you've cleaned several windows, if you are just using a towel, is now you have all of the dirt and oils and debris on the towel rather than the applicator, and you just keep spreading them around. Now I'm going to use my clean microfiber and I'm just going to buff off the remaining liquid, which you will notice comes off literally in one swipe. It's crazy. So we're going to go back and forth. I am, of course, going to do a towel flip, use another side, just to make sure that we got everything super easy, super clean, and 0 lint and 0 streaks. So it truly is as easy as that to kind of take away one of the most frustrating things in cleaning your car. So we have this half of the windshield clean, which from my perspective sitting in here, it's pretty crazy. So that was super easy to get it cleaned. So I'm going to jump in on the other side and get the rest of this windshield clean. So we are all finished. Absolutely perfect result. It looks phenomenal. And the best part is when you're using the right products, it makes it easier to clean it next time too, because we're not continuing to get buildup upon buildup. So just to recap the simple tools that we used to achieve this today, we used the no soak microfiber applicator, the FTW for the window towel, which is a twist loop, and then we just used an automotive glass cleaner. You can use whichever one of your choice. If you want to follow these steps exactly from home, we did link all of these products in the description down below. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section and we will make sure we get back to you. For more videos like this, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel.